Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you log into your Reddit account. So in order to log into your Reddit account, you need to follow these steps. So what here you actually want to do is to log into your Reddit. You first need to open up your Reddit application. And when you open up your Reddit application, then you just need to go ahead and select the way to log in. Either continue with phone number or continue with Google or continue with email or username. So I'm going to simply type in my email address and then type in my password associated and click the continue button. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll have successfully logged into your Reddit account. And for some reason, if you're unable to log in due to incorrect information or credential, then what you could actually do is you simply want to go ahead and click on forgot password underneath and then recover your account or double check your information, and this way you'll be able to log into your Reddit account. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.